Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing and trying on the Rains Micro Backpack in the color Candy Pink. Now our first exposure to the Rains brand was actually with the Hilo Weekender bag, which we have a video of posted on our channel. And when we discovered that these bags actually came in a backpack, we were really intrigued. So we ended up purchasing the micro backpack in Candy Pink for myself, the mini backpack in black for my husband, and we also got a set in haze green of the mini backpack and the Hilo Weekender. So be sure to subscribe for those videos that are coming soon. Now, before purchasing any of these items, I hunted YouTube to find some reviews, and I didn't find too terribly many reviews that gave me all the information that I needed. So I'm hoping that this will illuminate the buying process for a few others. So first up, this is the micro backpack. It retails for $95 US for this candy pink color. However, I do believe that the more standard colors like a black or a navy or a dark green are a little bit less expensive. Now, something that I really love about the Rains brand is that this material that all of these products are made of are intended to be rainproof, hence the name Rains. And because our purpose for these bags is actually, just a day bag, going to a cafe, needing to house a book, a laptop, just a few things, I figured making sure that all of those goodies are protected and rainproof is perfect. All right, so you've already gotten a little glimpse of the bag itself, but giving you a bit of a bigger orientation, inside there is a pocket that creates a separation from the larger backpack. It looks like it's trying to be a bungee cord, but it's not, so it really just is a divider. And there is a zippered pouch along the front side of the material, and that's kind of it. That's all of the organization that you have inside. That being said, I feel like that's kind of all you need with this small of a backpack. It would be nice if there was another pouch on the outside or on the back like there is with the mini backpack, but I will show you that in a second when we get into a comparison. All right, one more note is that the latch on the front of the bag is actually quite difficult to maneuver. I think it's a little bit harder with the micro backpack than with the mini, so that's something to keep in mind. Hopefully it may flatten out and become a little bit easier to use as, the material gets worn in, but because it is that thick Rains material, I'm not entirely confident that it will happen. All right, so this is the black mini backpack that we purchased for my husband. Just so you can get a size comparison, it is quite bigger. So let me walk you through a few of the decision points why we purchased these two different backpacks. So first of all, my husband is quite taller, so we thought that proportionately the mini backpack would be better for him and the micro would look a little bit more proportionate on me as I am a smaller frame. Now, the main features that are different across these two backpacks is the back. On the mini backpack, there is an extra zipper, which I do wish that they included on the micro, and the clasp to close the bag is a little different as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and try both of these on so you can see both backpacks in action for yourself and also see the scale that I was talking about. Okay, so first up we have the pink micro backpack for myself, and you can see that this really is a good size for me. It fit a small laptop, an iPad, a notebook, a few additional papers, and of course in this small zipper pouch I was able to fit my wallet, keys, phone, etc. Now checking out the mini backpack on my husband, you can see that this is a little bit more proportionate for him. Of course, he was able to fit all the items that I just mentioned and still had room for more. That's all for this try-on. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.